Ever felt overwhelmed during a long semester? You're not alone. It's a familiar story for many. The syllabus week spark fizzles out, replaced by stress, burnout, and a dwindling motivation. The pile of assignments seems to grow taller every day, and the finish line appears to be a speck on the horizon. But guess what? It doesn't have to feel like a never-ending marathon. The key to triumphing over these challenges is all about strategy. It's about knowing how to keep that initial spark alive, how to transform stress into productive energy, and how to prevent burnout before it even begins. It's about staying motivated during a long semester. In this video, we'll delve into 8 effective strategies that can help you not just survive, but thrive during a long semester. From chunking your tasks to rewarding yourself, from finding your focus zone to embracing the power of no, we'll cover it all. So buckle up as you're about to learn 8 effective strategies to stay motivated and conquer that long semester. Strategy number 1, chunk it up. Now, what does that mean? Well, imagine you're faced with a daunting task, something that seems too vast and overwhelming to even begin. It's like staring at a towering mountain, isn't it? But what if we could break that mountain into smaller hills? That's the idea behind chunking it up. Let's say you have a lengthy research paper to write. Instead of tackling it all at once, break it down into smaller, manageable parts. Start with the research, then move on to the outline, then the introduction, and so on. By breaking down large tasks into smaller, bite-sized chunks, we make them feel less intimidating and more achievable. It's like eating an elephant. How would you do it? One bite at a time. So the next time you're faced with a massive task, don't panic, just chunk it up. Remember, every big task started as a bunch of smaller ones. Strategy number 2, reward yourself. You see, it's essential to pat ourselves on the back every once in a while. Why? Because when we reward ourselves after completing a task, we create a positive association with the work we've done, making it easier to do it again in the future. Imagine you've just finished a challenging assignment. Instead of rushing to the next task, take a moment to enjoy a small treat, perhaps a square of your favorite chocolate or a cup of fragrant tea. Or you could even take a short break to stretch your legs or indulge in a quick episode of that series you've been following. You might think, isn't this just procrastination? But no, it's much more than that. It's about acknowledging your hard work and making the journey enjoyable, not just the destination. After all, we're humans, not machines. Rewards provide positive reinforcement, making you more likely to repeat the behavior. Strategy number 3, find your focus zone. So, what exactly is a focus zone? Imagine a space, a bubble if you will, where distractions are virtually non-existent, where your mind is free to delve into the depths of knowledge without being tugged away by pesky interruptions. That, my friends, is a focus zone. It's a place where productivity thrives and procrastination dies. It's a sanctuary for your thoughts, a haven for your ideas. Now you might be wondering, how do I find this mysterious zone? Well, the beauty of a focus zone is its unique nature. What works for one person may not work for another. It could be a quiet corner in a library, a bustling coffee shop, or even the comfort of your own room. The key is to experiment with different environments until you discover one that sparks your focus. Remember, it's your personal productivity playground. Finding your focus zone can significantly enhance your study efficiency. Strategy number 4, embrace the power of no. Now this might sound a bit harsh, but it's absolutely vital. In your pursuit of success, it's inevitable that you'll face distractions and non-priorities. It's a busy world out there, and sometimes everything seems to demand your attention. But remember, not everything deserves it. Saying no is not about being rude or antisocial. It's about understanding your priorities and respecting your own time. Your studies, your goals, they matter. And to achieve them, you need to stay focused. That party on Friday night or that new series on Netflix, they might be tempting, but are they really worth your time? Every no you say to distractions is a yes to your success. Every no you say to procrastination is a yes to productivity. So don't be afraid to say no, embrace it. Saying no can be powerful. It's about prioritizing your success. Strategy number 5, find your study squad. The importance of having a group of like-minded individuals to study with cannot be overstated. Imagine having a team with diverse knowledge. You're not just relying on your own understanding, but tapping into the collective wisdom of others. This shared knowledge can often illuminate complex concepts, making them easier to grasp. Moreover, each member brings a unique perspective to the table. Hearing different viewpoints can broaden your horizons and deepen your understanding of a subject. It's like seeing the world through multiple lenses, each offering a fresh new angle. But perhaps the most compelling advantage of having a study squad is the mutual motivation it fosters. The energy in a group is infectious and can help keep your motivation levels high, even when the going gets tough. Remember, studying doesn't have to be a solo journey. It can be a shared adventure, filled with learning, laughs, and camaraderie. Your study squad can make learning more fun and effective. Scene script, strategy number 6, celebrate the small wins. It's easy to overlook the small victories when you're focused on the big picture. But let's not forget, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Each small win is a stepping stone towards your ultimate goal. It's a validation that you're on the right path. You aced that tricky math problem? That's a win. You finished reading a chapter ahead of time? That's another win. These are not mere tasks you've completed. They are victories that deserve celebration. Celebrating small wins boosts your morale and confidence. It fuels your motivation, making the journey enjoyable and less daunting. It's like collecting golden coins in a video game, each coin taking you closer to the final treasure. So, remember to pause, appreciate your efforts, and revel in your small victories, because every small win takes you a step closer to your goal. Strategy number 7, take care of yourself. A long semester can take a toll on your physical and mental health if you're not careful. So here's a friendly reminder. Take care of yourself. You're not a machine. You're a human being who needs to rest, to eat well, and to move. Getting enough sleep is crucial. It's not about burning the midnight oil. It's about giving your brain the rest it needs to process and learn. Exercise, too, is key. A simple walk or a quick workout can do wonders for your focus and productivity. And don't forget a balanced diet. It's not just about keeping your body healthy. It's about fueling your brain with the right nutrients. Self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about respecting your own needs and understanding that you can't pour from an empty cup. So remember to take care of yourself, because you matter. When you take care of yourself, you are setting the stage for academic success. And finally, strategy number 8, remember your why. When you find yourself in the thick of the semester, buried under assignments, quizzes, and seemingly endless readings, it's incredibly easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. That's where your why comes in. It's the reason you're putting in all this hard work. Maybe you're striving for a particular career, or perhaps you're driven by a thirst for knowledge. Your why is your personal beacon, your source of inspiration that keeps you moving forward, even when the going gets tough. It's the fuel that powers your drive, the light that guides you through the darkest nights of academic struggle. Remembering your why helps you maintain perspective, keeping your eye on the prize, even when you're knee-deep in academic challenges. So when the going gets tough, take a moment, breathe, and remind yourself of why you started. Your why can serve as your compass during the long and challenging semesters. And there you have it, 8 strategies to help you stay motivated during a long semester. We've traveled quite a journey today, revisiting vital strategies. We learned to chunk it up, breaking down large tasks into manageable pieces. We explored the importance of rewarding ourselves. A small treat can go a long way in maintaining motivation. We discovered our focus zone, that sweet spot where productivity thrives. We embraced the power of no, understanding that prioritization is key to success. We sought our study squad because teamwork makes the dream work. We celebrated the small wins because every step forward counts. We understood the need to take care of ourselves because a healthy body harbors a healthy mind. And finally, we remembered our why, the driving force behind our efforts. Remember, motivation is not a constant, but with these strategies, you can keep pushing forward. Good luck with your studies, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational videos.